Hello, and welcome to Shortcut Up CNC. Today we're going to talk about how to add toolpath notes to the actual toolpaths. Double click here, and this is what I'm talking about, adding notes to the particular toolpath that's highlighted. I'll get to that in a little bit, but we're going to look at the frames we got set up here, and I'm going to show you why we got those particular notes. Okay, on profile number 3, that's an inner cut on the inside of the frame, modeled frame. What I want to do there is I want to cut all these out first. And then I want to remove these blocks so that the bit in the future passes, tool pass, doesn't get interfered with. In other words, if you were to cut the roughing toolpath on these frames, it would go down into this material, and it kind of bogs down a bit. I mean, you can actually do it, but why? If you can remove this material, get it out of the way first, and then continue on. So that's what we're going to do on the first profile. As I add a note in here, carve first, then remove excess material. Okay, yeah, there we go. And then we close that. Now, that will apply to all of these because this cuts every one of those 6 frames on the intersection. Now, on these radiuses that are cut on the top of the frame, I want those to go to the outside edge. Maybe not this one. It depends on what the appearance and how it looks. But basically, these big 2-inch radiuses, I want to go to the outside edge. So on profile number 4, don't double click that. I do it every time. It's habit. Okay, you highlight it, then you double click Toolpaths, carve to outside edge, and I close that. So now I have my notes. Now you can do a job setup sheet that you can take out to your workshop. I'm going to save it to my desktop, which will fall on the other monitor. I'll have to double click over there to preview it. Okay, we're double clicking on the job sheet. Okay, here we show, and you can vaguely see it. That's the sheet layout of the 6 frames. And let's see, on toolpath number 3, there's our toolpath note. Carve first, then remove the excess material. And then we go to toolpath number 4, carve to outside edge. There's your toolpath note on the job sheet. And it looks like my job sheet, I need to go to my job sheet editor, and turn something off because it's double laying over the top here. Sample profile. Of course, it's not really interfering with anything, but I need to go to my job fix editor and fix that. But anyway, that's how you add toolpath notes. Any particular note that has to do with the toolpath, you can double click here After you've highlighted the toolpath that you want to add the note to, and then add the note and then close it, and it's there for you. And when you save your program to your hard drive or whatever, it'll always be there. Give you a perfect example. We'll close this, we'll reopen it, and we'll go to Profile 3, the toolpath, and there it is. Carve first, then remove the excess material. Close that, go to Profile 4. Whoop. Habit can be hard to break. Okay, there's your toolpath note. Carve to outside edge. Close. There you have it, folks. Adding toolpath notes to your toolpath. Thank you for watching Shark Cut Up CNC.